boys. So I'm working on Baby A's nursery. Well, we already started because my sister just gave me the idea to just record doing the nursery. But this is his wall. You can't see it, but it's basically blue wallpaper. I got it from Amazon. I'll leave the link down below. But my sister put the wallpaper up. She went crazy. Here she did these smoothly because these are two of them. But then here she went a little crazy. And then we have to get another wallpaper. We had another one, but then she went a little crazy. And she did this. For his nursery, I'm doing a Toy Story theme. Excuse my craziness. I already told you guys I know I look crazy. But I'm doing a Toy Story theme. And I'm going to show you guys how I did the clouds. And I'm going to show you guys how I did the sign. You guys are going to see in my thumbnail how the nursery is going to end up looking. But I didn't use a stencil because I was going to buy a stencil. But then them shits were like $50 on Etsy. So I was like, no. So, and the little signs too. They were like $130 for the signs with the baby's name. So I just did that myself. Because my sister has a Cricut and I used that. So this is how one of the clouds is looking. So I first went on Google and looked up Toy Story clouds since these are a specific type of clouds. They're not just regular clouds. And I looked for the image that was the most clearest. And I found this one. I just saved it to the iPad. I then cropped the big cloud so it could just be one big cloud, and then I cropped the small cloud so it could just be one small cloud, since I'm going to be doing separate rows, like one row of big clouds and one row of small clouds. I then went into the erased background app so I could just erase the background so it could just be just the cloud. I then went into the Cricut app and I put it in so I could print out the clouds. There's a whole bunch of tutorials on YouTube on how to use the Cricut, so if you guys want to know how to use the Cricut, go on YouTube and find out. This is the Cricut, by the way, for the people that don't. I'm going to put it down below, a link to get it if you guys want to buy a Cricut, because this saves your life, literally. I'm just showing you guys, I look crazy. I legit look crazy my whole pregnancy. But I basically got contact paper from Target, and I used that for the clouds so you can stick like a sticker on the wall, if that makes sense. What am I trying to say? So I cut it so it's the exact size as the Cricut mat, and I just put it on the Cricut mat, and we're just gonna go cut it out. Make sure you leave the little paper that it's stuck to when you're gonna print it out in the Cricut. When you're gonna cut it out in the Cricut, I mean. This is just me putting it in the Cricut machine. You guys are gonna see how it cuts it out by itself. So then in the Cricut app, I'm just gonna click create it or make it, or whatever that little thing's called. I gotta pair it to the Cricut, the iPad, which is what I'm doing right now. And this is just how it came out. So I'm just taking off the rest of the paper that I do not need. So now I'm just making his name, and I want to do like the Toy Story box, like those toy boxes names, but I just did it with paper. These little papers, I got them with the Cricut. I just got cardstock paper and cut them out with the Cricut, and I cut out his letters with the Cricut as well. In back of this little frame thing, I'm gonna put white cardstock paper. This is the cardstock paper I got. I'm gonna put in the link below all the paper that I got and all the equipment that I use. I'm just now sticking all the little pieces together so you can make a square, and then I'm gonna stick the letter inside. I used the hot glue gun to stick everything together so it could be secured. I made one of each color, so it could be different colors, each letter of his name. So now with the white contact paper, cardstock paper, I'm gonna cut it out so it fits perfectly in back of the little frame, and I'm just gonna stick it on to the frame. So this is how it came out. I was gonna name him something else, but I changed his name last minute. So this is not the name that I'm naming him. So my sister's now adding the last piece of wallpaper that's missing. That's missing for the wall. I'm gonna show you guys. My sisters are here. They're building the crib. So already an error. They did this wrong.
They didn't. She did.
That side is wrong.
She did it wrong. Fix it.
Little bookshelf. It's not gonna be used as the bookshelf. It's just gonna be used as like more organizer. But I ordered from Amazon. I'm gonna leave the link to everything I bought in the description. And right now I'm building it by myself, and I think I got this down. I'm building this right here. I'll show you guys how it looks when it's done. I built these up and I got these from Target for $5. 2 of them for $5, and they were actually a perfect fit. I actually thought they were gonna be too small, so that's why I bought 2 so I could put 2 inside the little cubbies. But they were actually a perfect size. Like, wow. So in here, I put this little kit that my mom got me. This little vino kit, and I put these little shampoos that my aunt got me. Here I have this. Oh, I'm gonna show you guys this. It's this cool thing. I got it off Amazon. It's like for his nails. It has, whoa, my nails look crazy, but it has like nail clippers, nail scissors, a nail filer, and a tweezer. It's just that, it's real cute. In back of there, that little thing is his little tablet. This is a little shusher. It's basically this little machine that just says shh. Well, I had to like turn up the sound, but it's basically a little machine that just says shh. And I got that off Amazon. Down here is just little nipple pads for when I breastfeed. Here's these little bottles. This little thing for showering the baby. This is nip cream. And Pop Yums. I got little Pop Yum bottles in there. I'm gonna breastfeed. Well, I'm gonna try to breastfeed for the first 3 months. That's why I haven't like unboxed any of the bottles. That just happened there. So I'm always gonna look crazy. Like in every single video you guys see in this nursery, I'm always gonna look crazy. But I just finished organizing this little thing. I'm gonna show you guys. I forgot to record. I forgot that I was doing a nursery DIY, so I forgot to record. But I'm gonna show you guys. I haven't put up his mattress. Well, his mattress is there just with the plastic. But I'm waiting till the day, like, well, till I'm at least 37 weeks, so I could put his mattress and stuff. I mean, his sheets on the mattress. But I got this thing from Amazon. I'm gonna leave the link down below. But basically, is this little thing has these little compartments. Here I put 2 swaddles. I put a little teddy bear. I put wipes. I put more wipes here. I filled this up with diapers. And then here I put his white onesies. And there's another swaddle and a little bag for diapers and a little shampoo. So that's that. Let me see, I'll show you guys. And you just hook it onto the crib. And I also put this little bed skirt under, and I like just shoved a couple of stuff onto there that I was like, I'm not gonna use it now. So currently I am doing this little frame. I'm gonna put baby A's almost home, and I'm gonna put a sonogram pictures there, and I'm just gonna take that and put it right on top of the thing. But this is how it's looking so far. And then this is all the rest that I gotta figure out where to put. His little books, and we got this. I want to buy him way more books because I want to read them every single night. But we got this one. I got this one, these 2. I got them at Marshall's. This one as well, I believe. Oh no, this was a gift from my cousin Kimberly. This one was a gift from my cousin Sarah. This one I got it in Target. I love that little book. This set came with 3 books. I got it in Marshall's. Well, 4 books, I mean. I got it in Marshall's. And I got this one in Marshall's, too. That made me so. But I'm just organizing that. Stuffing everything under there. Like, basically I've been stuffing like everything else under there. Then that I'm trying to stuff it under my bed. But yeah, almost done. But yeah, all the boxes and stuff, I'm just stuffing it under. And that I'm just gonna keep it there. This is supposed to go on the floor. It's gonna go on the floor when the baby's born. So I really don't know where to put this. I gotta find a place to put all the wipes, all the diapers, and store all the boxes and stuff. So that's what I'm gonna look out for.